In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to effortlessly create stunning and viral social media profile pictures for free. No fancy tools, just simple techniques to make your profile stand out in the crowd. Don't miss out on the chance to raise your online presence. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to bing.com. Then, click on the Images tab. Afterward, locate and click on the Create button. If this is your first time using the service, you may need to create a free Microsoft account. Now, please paste the provided prompt into the designated area. Begin by replacing the placeholder for the social media platform with the specific name you are creating the content for. In this instance, let's assume it's YouTube. Next, replace Saeedai with your name. After making these adjustments, proceed by clicking on the Create button. Bing Image Create will work its magic and generate awesome images for your social media profile. Check out these outstanding results created by the Bing Image Generator. There's no need to hire a graphic designer. The tool has effortlessly crafted visually appealing content for your social media profile. Save time and resources by letting Bing Image Generator enhance your online presence with its creative touch. Now, let's customize this prompt by replacing Indian modern clothes with Pakistani modern clothes. After making this adjustment, click on the Create button. Feel free to replace the reference to clothes with elements that represent your country's culture. This simple customization will tailor the generated content to showcase the uniqueness of Pakistani modern attire. Now, let's tailor this prompt for Facebook. Replace YouTube with Facebook and click on the Create button. This time, the generated content will be specifically designed for Facebook. Remember, the more you customize this prompt, the better the results you'll get. If you encounter any difficulties generating the content, consider replacing your name with a different one. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more AI-related content. Your support is appreciated, and stay tuned for future videos.